Ladies and gents, we are back in the boardroom. Thanks for joining me. I have with me the latest from Fisher & Paykel, the VITERA. Man, I love Fisher & Paykel as a company. I've met a lot of the people who work for Fisher & Paykel in Australia. They are a great bunch of people. And I love their marketing team. I love their names that they come up with. Ison, which is nose spelled backwards for their nasal mask. Just genius stuff like that. I can just imagine them sitting around with their marketing team, just brainstorming and just coming up with all these funny names that I love. But the VITERA, their new full face mask, looks a lot similar to the Simplus, but they've just made some improvements on that mask. That mask itself was an absolute ripper for Fisher & Paykel. It was easily by far their best full face mask they've ever had. Not that they'd had too many good full face masks before that one, unfortunately. But the Simplus, it was a cracker. And reviews wise on that one, I think 450 reviews I looked at and 4.5 stars average. So very, 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 very good mask. So you can understand why they probably haven't wanted to vary too much from that design because it has been so successful. But they've made a few improvements and we'll discuss them with you shortly. So like most of my videos, I think we start with a bit of a close-up. Let's talk about some of the features.
All right, guys, here we are up close and personal with the VITERA from Fisher & Paykel. As we swing around here, you can see the new Venticool headgear. This headgear is designed to keep you nice and cool during the night. So if you're one of those people that gets hot flushes, I know I do, then this headgear is going to really promote keeping your head nice and cool over night time. It's great for moisture transfer and you get a lot more airflow with this headgear. You can see here these straps also where you're doing a lot of the adjustment have these nice little tabs that they've put on. Just makes it easy to actually find where to grab it from so you can... I really love this Velcro as well. It just doesn't die on you. So really nice headgear, really durable headgear. You can sort of see the profile of the mask as we swing around. Here's your exhalation port here at the top. There's your mask frame. So they've redesigned the mask frame a little bit. And then you sort of have this T-bar at the top here. Now, although this is a bit annoying that the fact that it comes up in front of your eyes here is very important because it provides great stability for the mask. So this mask is renowned for having excellent mask seal. And part of that's because it has great headgear, a great seal, this rollfitXT seal. It's a new seal, but very similar to the Simplus seal. But that, coupled with this great mask frame, gives you excellent stability during the night time. So you're not going to be battling with a whole lot of mask leaks with this mask. All right. But that's your VITERA. You can see here this elbow's got a lot of movement. So when you're moving around with that tube attached to it, it's got some nice play to it. And it's going to be going wherever you're going. All right. Let's take some of the components apart and have a look at them.
All right. The VITERA. You can pick it up in small, medium and large sizes, and I will put a sizing guide in the description of the video so you can suss out which size is right for you. I'll also put a link into the video description where you can purchase it from, and if you put in my name, N-I-C-K, in the coupon section, you're going to get a nice juicy discount on top of already awesome prices. Now, why are you going to go and get one? Well, if you have already got a Simplus mask, I still reckon there's enough features here to upgrade, especially if your Simplus is starting to look a little bit average. I know you probably love your Simplus, but it's very similar, but you're going to get the new headgear, new rollfitXT seal, it's a new frame design, better clips. There's enough there to warrant an upgrade. If you're currently got another mask and you're just you're struggling to get a good seal and you're getting a lot of air leaks, definitely check out the VITERA. These rollfitXT seals are incredible. And they're great for a big, wide audience, okay? They fit a huge range of faces. That's the beauty of them. Now, the other thing is, if you're someone who's getting hot of a night time, check out the Venticool headgear. Oh, the Venticool. It's gonna keep you cool, especially coming into summer. It produces that airflow, takes away all that moisture and that heat, and keeps your head nice and cool of a night time. Apart from that, look, Fisher & Paykel themselves are just a great team. I've got a bit of a soft spot for them. I've met some of the people. They're really nice people and a really nice company. And I've been to some of their product launches and some of their education sessions, and I just love what they're about. So yeah, good company, good mask, good products. Check it out. and have yourself a good day. Some of my other videos will start popping up around the place, so click on them if you want to watch some more. But as always, I really appreciate it if you like the video. Comment or give me some feedback. If you got one of these masks, share your thoughts about it in the comments below, because people love reading that sort of stuff, especially from people who have the mask at home and are using it over night time. But as always, I hope everything's going well with sleep apnea. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Cheers.